This is Gold Bar 1, D2. Go ahead. Hey, did you guys find that Victor 1 site yet? I got heavy brass way up my butt.
I have Victor 1 at coordinates C118, G240.
Say again, didn't copy.
I have Victor 1 at coordinates C118, G240. You copy?
I copy. Good work.
I need armor and straight leg support. We need tactical air support on demand. Do you copy?
Will do. We got the heavies coming to you in infantry and armor. And we'll throw in a little air support too.
That's a roger.
Fire and support. Fire and support. They gotta take off that pressure. Coming forward. That's a 37mm anti-tank gun on the Stuart. On your right, the M8 Green Round, 37mm cannon on the Stuart. They're taking that M8 into position. They want to cover. Oh, there goes. That looks like the GI's currently. We still got a couple diehards out there on the field. Don't know if they're going to be able to take any prisoners from these guys. Very really tough. That must have been a roller around. Hit that area there. I just hope they don't say, oh, the rockets. They're going to, everybody in the grandstand duck down. That rocket might take off right over your head. He's ignited the rocket. Look out, folks. Oh, no. They destroyed the rocket. Well, there's enough there. They can probably put it back together. Just a few remaining diehards out there. Hopefully they'll flank them. Maybe take a prisoner or two. Find out what unit they're with. I wonder what happened to that technician who was the I think he grabbed the plan for the rocket. So if it's destroyed, we can reverse engineer the whole thing there. Now they're clearing the farm now. Clearing the area, looking for anybody that's waiting to ambush them. And I tell you one thing, that's one V1 that's not going to London today, folks. All right, they saved her. Our French resistance fighter saved the plans on the V1 rocket. Checking to make sure nobody's playing dead. He's handing the top secret plans over to the Americans right now. A good thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, that's our reenactment for today. Let's give a hand to the reenactors. They travel hundreds of miles. They pay for their uniforms, their weapons, their equipment. And we do it all here for you. And once again, I want to thank all the veterans. Now we'll be presenting that Crown Car Care vehicle to a veteran, a lucky veteran. They're all worthy. But that'll be coming up shortly, and that'll be on the entire system for the air show.